Okay, so I say we, I mean Dave, put the ceiling styrofoam up, made holes for the wires for the lights. We have one section of ceiling done. New ceiling, new roof on top too. The new roof with the hole cut. Open area that we have to cover. And we just started peeling back. Sorry, I'm on the ladder. That's the bathroom vent, toilet area. Of course it's windy today. Gotta clean all this up. This is up a little bit, so we'll get it secured down. And the edge is pulling away. So Dave is going to fix that. This wall is done. This wall is done. So I can paint it any time back here, but I'm not gonna yet. And then this wall we're gonna put new wood on, we decided. So, making a mess, throwing stuff out into the garbage can, and you can see I don't hit it very well. But we're getting there, bit by bit. He has knee surgery on the 28th, so we're really hoping to have the roof done by then, but we don't know if we will. So we'll see. Have a good day.